LGBTQIA+ community, especially in the field of trans pageantry. She has been part of the world of pageantry and beauty for more than 2.5 decades. Coming from a prominent family of doctors, her parents are founders of the Rizal Medical Society and helped build the well-known Rizal Medical Center, or RMC, at Pasig City. Although she didn't try to be part of the medical field and has been part of a religious order, and yes, she was once grouped to be a servant of the Lord by entering the seminary not once, but twice. She later learned that to serve God, you don't need to be religious or to serve Him sincerely. Now at the prime year of her life, at 50 years old, she is still up to par with younger contestants. Madam Barbie, as she is often called by her peers, is a well-seasoned pageantera and a traveler. She owns La Arcache Goods and Merchandise, which handles La Arcache Parfum, La Arcache's Wine, and La Arcache's Soap. She owns a gown, dress rental, and made-to-order store, and has been in that field for more than 15 years. Our speaker has mingled and dined with the creme de la creme of the Philippines, high society and royals from Europe, and as of now, she dreams to inspire the younger generations to go back to the basics and be empathetic and sympathetic to the needs of the community of the LGBTQIA. We certainly are looking forward to meet Barbie in the upcoming years and how she could help uplift the level on how she could help the LGBTQIA community is looked upon. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our guest speaker, Miss Maria Barbie Arcache!
Beauty. Grabe, hindi halata sa isla. Grabe. Palakpakan naman natin ang Rosa Santa Rosa! Miss Barbie Arcache! Magandang hapon! Santa Rosa! Laguna! Palakpakan dyan! Hi! Hello! Hi!
Hello!
Ay, hello naman kayo dyan, mga uto-uto. Happy Pride, Santa Rosa, Laguna. First of all, before I share to you a few inspirational thoughts, I would like first to greet our Honorable Congresswoman Ruth Hernandez. A pleasant afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much, Congresswoman. Of course, our Honorable Mayor Arlene B. Arcillas, please get well soon. Our Honorable Vice Mayor Arnold B. Arcillas, thank you very much for giving us such a wonderful party or pride celebration. And of course, ang ating mga sangguniang panlungsod. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ninyo sa LGBTQIA+ community. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga namumuno ng ating lugar dito sa Laguna. Ayan. Guys, magkikwento ko sa inyo. Kaya lang ba? Mga sis, kaya lang ba magkwento? Okay. I think this was in 2002. Dahil nakakaloka. 22 years ago. 2002 or I think it was 2001 na kung saan I was invited na sumali ng Miss Gay Santa Rosa. Doon yung sa plaza, hindi po ba? Sa plaza doon ng Santa Rosa. Na kung saan nagdala, noong panahon na yon, wala pang Facebook, wala pang Messenger. Ang meron pa noon Friendster. Tama po ba? Na kung saan inimbitahan po ako ng aking mahal na kaibigan na si Georgina Ferrari. Palakpakan po natin po.
Diba? May basa?
Oo, Georgina is one of the pillars of bookers in Laguna.
Yes!
Hindi po ba? Kasi before, Georgina, That time we didn't have cellphone. Wala pang cellphone noong panahon na yon. At saka text lang, di ba? Wala pang Facebook. Nag-text siya sa akin kung gusto ko daw sumali ng pageant. Maganda ba ako sa screen? Kung maganda ako sa screen, palakpakan naman dyan, Santa Rosa, Laguna! I love it! Thank you so much. I still feel so at home here. Anyways, ibalik ko sa story. Sumali ako sa Pamisgi. Diyan sa Santa Rosa, Laguna mismo. Doon mismo sa may plaza. Tama ba sa plaza? Na kung saan walang kaabog-abog, nag-title po ako. At hindi po kayo magiging isang sikat or icon sa pagpapageant kung hindi niyo mapapanalunan ang lungsod ng Santa Rosa, Laguna. Ang batayan po talaga, ano nangyayari kuya? Is there something happening here? Anong drama to? Kuya, ano yung sinagkakaduroan niya? Ano? Patapos, ano nangyari kuya? Kidding aside, pero talaga namang it is really historical na kung saan pag ikaw ay nanalo sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, sunod-sunod ang aking pagkapanalo. Cabuyao, San Pedro, Calamba, pero ang nagbigay sa akin talaga ng swerte na yan ay dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. That's why Santa Rosa, Laguna will always have a special place in my heart. Napakainit ang pagtanggap niyo sa amin dito. Masalo na talagang noon pa, that was in 2000, early 2000, napaka-warm ng reception ng mga tao sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. At ang barangay ko noon na nirepresenta sa Miss K Santa Rosa, Laguna was Barangay Sinalhan. Asan ang Sinalhan dito? Hindi ko kayo marinig, Sinalhan. Sinalhan, palakpakan naman dyan! I represented Barangay Sinalhan at title ako sa inyo. Salamat talaga. Di ba sa inyo yung may ganon? Tama, and mission accomplished. Ang sagot ko nun. But aside from that, I've always felt myself, kasi yun ang turo sa akin eh, to always be the best. To always be the best, no matter what I do. I have traveled Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Kung saan-saan nagpapageant ako. Nag-TV rin din po ako. Nagkaroon din po ako sa mga Itbulaga and everything. Pero talaga, hindi po ako tumali sa ibang mga patimpalak. Pero, you know, as I've aged, I am now half a century old. 50 years old na po ako, mga kaibigan. Pero proud ko sabihin na dito sa pagmimisge at dito sa lugar ninyo, hindi ko kayo makakalimutan. Napakainit talaga ng inyong pagtanggap sa akin dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. But all I've heard also, as I get older, they say that you should always be the best. But sometimes, being the best is not the best. In your quest in being the best, you end up on stepping on other people just for you to be the best among the rest. For me, napag-isip-isip ko na ang pagiging the best is not the best. Just doing your best is the best for me. Naniniwala po ako na talagang wala naman po talaga yan sa pagiging best. Yung doing your best is the best. We should not compete with other people. Hindi naman po natin kailangan makipaglaban o makipagkompetensya. Do not leverage ourselves. We do not need to compete or compare ourselves to others. Dito sa LGBTQIA+ community, sabi po nila na tayo rin daw po kailangan maging sympathetic. Sympathetic po tayo sa mga feelings natin sa isa't isa. Sa mga nararamdaman po natin sa isa't isa. At the same time, empathetic na maranasan din po natin kung ano ang feeling na nakasuot ng mga sapatos ng ating mga kaibigan o mga community. So, all I can say is, it's not about just us. It's about all of us. It's about us all human beings. Tayo lahat. Kaya isa lang po hinihiling ko. Sabay-sabay niyo po sana magtulungan, magdasal, ipasa ang SOGI bill. It's about tayo mga kaibigan na ipasa ang SOGI bill. Lord, I just want to say to everybody, I do not hold a position in government. Hindi po ako congresswoman, hindi po ako mayor. Nor am I holding any position in government. They say, pag may position ka ng government, you have the influence and the power. Pero hindi totoo yun. Ang totoo, if you have a voice, that small voice can make a difference. And this is my voice making a difference to everybody here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. That I do not need to be the mayor, I do not need to be the congressman or the governor. All I have to do is be myself, to show to everybody that this small voice will reach its destination. And my destination is pagdasal natin may pasa at my generation ang SOGI Bill. We need human rights. Equal rights lang naman ang hinihingi namin, not special rights. We are not asking for special rights. We are not people with disabilities. We are assets and not liabilities in this community. Ang SOGI po, pumasa na po sa lower house. Pumasa na po sa Kongreso ang lower house, ang ating SOGI Bill. It is now in the upper house. Nasa mga senador na ang ating SOGI Bill na sana ipasa sa ating law. Ayon sa ating kaibigan na si Congresswoman Geraldine Roman, a few dinosaurs are keeping from signing the SOGI Bill. I know these dinosaurs are just keeping it because they think it's wrong. Ang tingin kasi nila, ang pagiging LGBT ay kasalanan. Kasalanan ba tayo? Are we kasalanan? Ewan ko sa kanila. Tayo may makasalanan pero grabe sila mga bet. Tayo mga LGBT daw makasalanan pero grabe sila mangurakot. Pero tayo, hinahanap nila tayo ng pagkakamali. Who are they to judge us? Just ba sila? Ipagdasal natin na ipasa sa Senado ang ating SOGI Bill. We deserve this. Sana, bago tayo mawala, itong aming henerasyon ni Georgina at ni Mama Carla, sana ma-experience naman namin the feeling to be part of a unified and equal Philippines. A unified and equal Republic of the Philippines. Not Republic of China, but Republic of the Philippines. What ours is ours and what's theirs is theirs. Because we do not want what's theirs and we only want what is ours. Diba? So, maraming salamat po dito sa mainit yung pagtanggap dito. And hi ate, grabe yung palakpak. Hi ate, I love you. Rafa, they are catching perfume later. Yan ay.
Dami mo malakpak.
Pabilang dami akong palakpak. May na naman tayo. Ako pala, bigyan na natin ng 500 yan mamaya. I love you, Nakshi. Ayan. Guys, I am not running for any public position, ha? I am not running for any public position, honestly. I am just here because I would like to support our small community. I'm here in front of you supporting the LGBTQIA+ community. That we deserve equality. We deserve our own rightful positions in this world. Asa na mga lesbians? Hindi ko marinig ang mga lesbians. Asa na mga lesbians? Asa na mga gays? Ayan, ang dami mga gays. Asa na mga bisexuals? Ang mga talk and bobo? Tuwa sila! Asa na mga bisexuals? Asa na mga transgender? Ayun, hi sis, transgender. I'm so proud of you. Rafa, another, please. Thank you. We love you all. Maraming salamat. Like I said, I'm not running for any position. Pero talaga, ito sa ating administrasyon ngayon, na kung saan ang ating mga mahal na presidente presidente na namumuno ng ating bansa na si Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos at ang ating First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos, napakainit ng pagtanggap nila sa LGBTQIA+ community. And last year, I am proud to say I was part of the LGBT Pride celebration inside na Malacanang. Maraming salamat po at hanggang ngayon, hindi mo kayo nawawala sa puso ng ating mahal na presidente. Not only that, hindi rin kayo nawawala sa puso ng ating Governor Camille Hernandez at ang kanyang asawa, Congresswoman Ruth Hernandez. Hindi kayo nakakalimutan. Guys, remember this. Akala nila we are marginalized. We are not marginalized. We are powerful. Sabay-sabay naman natin to. We are powerful.
We are powerful.
We are powerful.
We are powerful.
We are power.
Power.
We are power.
We are power.
At yan ang totoo. Panagsasama-sama ang LGBTQIA+ community, mas lalo na parating sa halalan, tapos ang laban. Tama ba? Tama ba? Tapos ang laban dahil number 1, ang unang mga kampanya para sa inyo, ang mga LGBTQIA+ community. Kaya dapat, supportahan nyo kami. Diba? Kwento ako sa inyo ha. Ito, nakakaloka. The other day, I was invited to speak in a big city in Metro Manila. Big city to. Malaking city. Malaki ang binabayaran na buwis ng syudad na to. Abay, naloka ako. Ni Mayor, ni Vice Mayor, hindi nagpakita. Nagulat ako, bakit wala man lang? Eh dito, sa lugar ninyo, Congresswoman, busog na kayo! Nakaupo celebrating LGBT Pride today! Where can you find something like this? Eh yun, city guy, dinedma ang mga bakla. Dinedma ang LGBT community. At sabi, total naman, nagbigay na kami ng stage, nagbigay na kami ng pagkain. Pero dito, hindi lang stage ang binigay. Pati pagkain, pa-premyo, lahat na binigay ng Santa Rosa, Laguna sa inyo. Pwede mo bang lumipat dito? Can I move to Santa Rosa, Laguna? Pwede ba ako lumipat dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna?
Pwede.
At naman sabi naman talaga nila, ang maganda, taga Santa Rosa. Well, I'd like to thank all my doctors. Dr. Marlon Lamo, thank you so much. Neko tayo, do not forget. Just kidding. But anyways, everybody, thank you again. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Rafa, do not forget those two. Ito lang po sabihin ko sa inyo, na pag-aralan ko, sabi ng daddy ko at ng nanay ko, good things happen to good people. Pag mabait ka, mabait din ang balik sa inyo. So huwag niyong kalilimutan, good things happen to good people. Kahit sabihin nila hindi tayo good, bahala kayo sa buhay ninyo, good kami. Kaya kami, we are here in this world, fighting for our rights, fighting for our position, and fighting for our place in this world. We deserve equality, we deserve respect, and most of all, we deserve love. I am Maria Gordian Arcache, and I am of service to the LGBTQIA+ community of the Philippines. Thank you, everybody. Mahal po kayo lahat.
Our guest speaker for this year's Global Pride 2024. Correct, ayan. At this point, I would like to invite on stage the officers of Global Rosa Santa Rosa Head, Mayor President and Eduardo Castro Jr.
Of course, to wave our
flag of appreciation. Love Laban to everyone, thereby contributing immeasurably to the prestige and success of the occasion given this 6th day of July, year 2024. Signed, Carlos de Guzman, the founder of Glamorosa. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Maria Barbie Ann Arcache.
Photo po together with the Glamorosa.
Ganda ni Bebem sa stage.
Sabi ni Miss Maria Barbie Ann Arcache, hindi lang siya, lahat tayo maganda.
Okay, go lang.
Thank you so much, Miss
I
Maria
love
Barbie
Arcache
Ann.
Arcache.